Are you thinking of a way you can actually start earning money on YouTube without going out of your house, just sitting in your house and earning up to $15,000 every month from YouTube? All right, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the step on how you can actually earn this amount of money every month. What are we going to be discussing about? We are going to be discussing about blogging. Now, it is very much possible for you to actually blog on YouTube, which is putting in trending news on YouTube. In fact, there are news and things to blog about every single day. So now, how can you possibly create one in just few minutes, upload it on YouTube, and earn such amount of money when you get monetized on YouTube? All right, guys. So I just want you guys to stay to the end of this video, and by the end of this video, you're not just going to learn on how you can actually do that, but you are going to see the easy trick we are actually going to be following in earning this amount of money every month. All right, guys, so let's quickly dive in. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do now is we are actually going to be opening our Google Trends. Okay, so when you search for Google Trends and you scroll through, in fact, you're going to be seeing news. This is actually from Nigeria. You can decide to change the country. Now, let's say US. Now, we are going to see what is actually trending in US presently. Okay, this NHL, Mythic versus Fever, Robert Morris, and all of these actually what are trending in US on Google right now. All right, so now how can you possibly now convert all of this into a video and upload on YouTube? Okay, now for instance, we went through all of this and we found something interesting like Robert Morris. This, let's say we want to actually blog about this. Now, it's either you use Google Trend or you use Google News. So you can simply go to Google News there, and we want to blog about entertainment, or you can decide to blog about technology, business, local, world, US, and any other one. So let's say entertainment. All you just need to do now is to just click on it. Let's say we want to actually blog about this one right here. So what we're going to do now is just click on it to open it. All right. So after you've opened this is actually the news about this particular person. So what we are going to be doing now is to go ahead to InVideo AI. You can do it to search for it, InVideo AI. This is it right here. So now InVideo AI is actually designed to create videos. All right, so we are just going to go ahead and click on explore all, then news video. Click on news video right here. All right, so this is actually going to come up. So up here now, it say create a news video about. So you should give me a news that you want to make video about. So we'll just click on this. We'll go back here. Okay, so you can just copy this. This is actually the headline. We'll copy it and come back here, and then we paste it right here. Then you come over to this is where we are going to be setting the link. So what we are going to do now is to go back here and copy this link. This is the URL. We'll copy this, go back to InVideo AI, and then we paste it right here. Good. So after you've done this, the next thing you need to do now is to come down here. This is where we are going to be starting background music. So you can decide to put anyone. Let's say I want piano. All right. So now on this other part, this part is actually very, very important. Use any voice. No, we want to use our own voice. So what you need to do now is to select your own voice. If you want to be able to put in your own voice here, this is the step you are going to be following. All right. So when you want to actually add your voice to InVideo AI, all you have to do is to come right here. You see this, you click on this, and then you come over to voices. Now, you can be able to use all of this. You need to make sure you've actually subscribed for the pro of InVideo AI. All right. So this is actually the voices I'm having right here. So if you want to add a voice, you just click on add voice. After you click on add voice, this actually comes up. Now, this is the instruction they want you to follow. You submit recording of at least 30 seconds. Mention I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. Then you need to also pause in between sentences like you normally would. Use high quality recording equipment. So these are the steps you just need to follow when you are recording your audio. Then you can now come in here and insert it right here. So when you insert it, you are good to go. You don't need to start using your voice over and over. InVideo AI is actually going to clone that voice and use it on every single video you make, and you are selecting the voice you want to use. All right, so back here. So what we are going to be doing now is to select this particular voice, a Berry's voice. This is the voice I want to be using. All right, so we can decide to add subtitle if you want. So I prefer to add subtitle. So I'll just click on add clean subtitle with no outlines. Good. Then if I should just scroll, you see this use iStock as needed, use YouTube audio library only. That is for the music and the rest of that. All right, so I can now go ahead and continue generate a video. So you can see that even with this, you can actually use your mobile phone in doing all of this. All you just have to do is go to your Chrome, and then you follow this whole process. You can use your phone. You don't really need to use a laptop in making that huge amount of money on YouTube. In fact, this is so amazing. Now, when you are creating a video like this, consistency actually matters. Now, you do not expect that your first video should give you the huge amount of views you actually need on that channel. But as you continue, I tell you, you are heading towards making up to $15,000 per month from this. All right. So we're just going to give this a little time for it to generate. After it has finished that, it actually comes right here. Now, this is my audience, celebrity news fans. Yes. Look and feel clean. Platform YouTube. All right. So I can just click on continue, and then it's actually going to take some time for it to generate, and voila, this is it right here. All right, so there's something really amazing about InVideo AI that I really love so much. Now, if I should actually play this video and I get to a point where what I'm actually seeing or what it is actually displaying does not really fit what the story is all about, all I need to just do is to come ahead to my edit right here. Okay, so when I click on edit now, you see this part that is being highlighted. I'm going to be hearing the voice when this picture is actually displaying. All right, so let's say I click on this, for instance, or let's say this one. Okay, but recently the serene village was thrust in the limelight for a reason no one expected. Justin Timberlake was arrested here, charged with driving while intoxicated. All right, so this actually fits this scene right here. Okay, so I can do what you just scroll through and then look at it over and over again. Need to make sure that it actually fits well. And if there's a particular part or a particular script here I want to edit, I can move over to edit scripts right here, and then I could just scroll down to where that part is and edit it. If I also want to edit the music, I can come over to edit music here, and then I can edit all of the music that was added there. Okay, so now on this edit media, if you want to be able to upload a video or a picture, you can come here, upload media, and then you can simply upload it right here. All right, so also, if you want to maybe search for a particular image, maybe the image is actually just maybe common everywhere, you can do it to search for it here, and you get your iStock images. Now, for you to be able to do all of this, you need to make sure that you are using the pro version of InVideo AI, and you do not need to worry. There is no going to be copyright. Now, InVideo AI is actually in connection with Google, so you don't need to worry about if it's possible for you to get monetized by creating this kind of video using InVideo AI. All right, so if you're done with this, you can simply go ahead and then upload it right away. All right, so if you actually kind of find this kind of difficult to do, don't worry. I also have another interesting video that, in fact, we love it so much. It is way more easier. You don't really need to do so much editing on it. You just need to follow it step by step, and then you proceed with that. You can also do that even on your way to work and anywhere, and you could still earn up to $10,000 from YouTube. All right, all you just have to do now is just tap on this next video. Just simply just tap on it and then watch it step by step on how you can actually do that. And also, if you're actually a beginner on YouTube, you want to also learn how you can possibly create your YouTube channel before you start uploading all of these amazing videos. You can also do well to check out the video by your right. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next class.